Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Sao Tome and Principe. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this site. As you can see that this can be obtained in three steps: select type of the visa, fill the form, summary. Now the thing is that makes it different from other, that the payment is gonna be done at the border. Okay, so you'll be asked to pay at the border when you really travel. So it's a good thing. Okay, but anyway, let's see the process how it goes through. So you're gonna click on start now. It's available in two languages here. You can select the one that you want. Accept terms condition. Now select the type of visa that you want. I select tourist. I go to next. Okay. For your passport, you're gonna upload it. Okay. And you're gonna you're gonna fill this. So I'm just putting sample. Of course, I won't be like filling this up. Okay. Just putting sample. Home address, something else sample I'll get. But you do properly. Passport details, date of issue, date of expiry, current nationality of passport, departure city, details arrival trip, when you're gonna reach, when you're gonna arrive. So I'm gonna select, let's say, 20 June. Just sample, guys. Address, where and with whom you'll be stay, with whom. So proper information. I'm just doing like this, but do it nicely. And let's say you'll be staying there for 10 days. Airline through which you'll come, let's say Air Canada. What type of transportation that you're gonna use? Aeroplane. Travel reason, hotel reservation information, recipient of the hotel reservation. So provide that information, properly travel reason, like why you're traveling, hotel reservation information, other things. Click on next. Oh, okay, I'll finish this and then I'll see you guys. It's gonna ask you to confirm all the details, and once you click on finish, then it's done. Then if everything goes smooth, you're good to go. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.